Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make chicken heart curry. So let's get started. I've got here 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder according to your taste, 2 sprigs of curry leaves which I have chopped, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 cup of hot water, 2 cups of tap water in a dish, and 1 kilo of chicken heart. Take your white vinegar, add it to the dish with water and give it a quick mix. To prepare your chicken heart, take one heart at a time. Trim the fat side off using a sharp knife or scissors. Cut it in half and put it in the dish with vinegar water. Repeat this process until you have finished cutting up all the chicken heart. Rub the heart well with the vinegar water. Drain it in a colander and rinse it well. Place the colander over a dish to drain any excess water and put it aside. To make the curry, take a pot, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds. Give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions, curry leaves and half the ginger and garlic paste. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. Add chopped chicken heart, curry powder, turmeric, chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix, put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add hot water. Give it a mix. Put a lid on, leaving a small gap for the steam to escape and cook it for 15 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 15 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Add remaining ginger and garlic paste. Give it a mix. Put the lid back on, leaving a small gap. Lower the heat and cook it for a further 10 minutes or until most of the water has dried up. After 10 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt again. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My chicken heart curry is ready and you can serve it with roti or rice. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.